Oh boy, it's another day. It's another sticker. Here we go. Yay. We have day 18. Dun, 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 dun. Ooh, well, it's food oriented. These are all food trucks. All right. Here I was thinking it was going to be truck oriented, but no, there's a lot of food involved too. This is Stickii Illustrations. Stickii Card Co. Anyway, different food trucks. Let's see. Which one looks like we need to put it on our cup? Ooh, I like the pastry one. Or the flower one. Actually, that's not food, so let's go with the flower one. Just to be radically different here. Just to be so it's not all food trucks. Yay. Okay. We'll put that one right there. Voila. And we can put milk or a cute little coffee or coffee and a croissant. Apple. We'll put an apple. We'll put an apple down here with the rest of our fruits. That seems reasonable. There we go. That's it, folks. Day 18 accomplished. Ta-da!